In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in CapCut app. We'll be doing this inside the desktop application, not the web version, so make sure you have the CapCut desktop app installed and opened before you start. Once the app is open on your computer, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select the option labeled Settings. As soon as you click on Settings, a new pop-up window will open in the middle of your screen. This is where you can adjust different preferences for the app. At the top of this pop-up window, you'll see several tabs. Find the tab that says General and click on it. The General tab is where CapCut keeps basic app options, including the language settings. Once you're on the General tab, look towards the top section of the window. You'll see a label that says Language, along with a list or drop-down menu of available languages you can choose from. Take a moment to scroll through the list and browse all the languages CapCut supports. When you find the language you want to switch to, click on it to select it. After selecting your preferred language, look down toward the bottom of the pop-up window. You'll see a Save button. Click on Save to apply your language choice. As soon as you do that, the current settings window will close and a new pop-up will appear. This new message will tell you that to change the language, you need to restart CapCut. This is completely normal because the app has to reload its interface to show everything in the new language. On this pop-up, you'll see a button that says Restart. Simply click Restart and CapCut will close itself and then open again automatically. When the app launches after restarting, the entire interface, including menus and labels, should now be displayed in the language you selected. You don't need to change anything else. The new language setting is already saved. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in the CapCut desktop app.